How many times have you heard that investing in yourself is the best thing you can do? But how do you actually do it? A lot of people don't even know where to start, and that's exactly why we made this video. To help you out. If you want to really change your life for the better, this is your guide to making the best investment ever. Yourself. 1. Read for growth. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to invest in yourself is to read. But let's be honest, most people don't like reading. Why? Because school made it boring. Many of us were forced to read books we didn't care about, and it made reading feel like homework. The secret to building a reading habit? Read what you love until you love to read. Once you find books that truly interest you, it gets easier. Reading is one of the best ways to grow. You can watch tons of short videos on a topic, but nothing will replace the deep knowledge you get from a great book. 2. Talk to people. Find a mentor. The more you talk to different kinds of people, the more you learn. Many people live in what we call an echo chamber. They only interact with those who think the same way, consume the same content, and believe the same things. But real growth happens when you expose yourself to new ideas. Some of the people you meet will have wisdom and experience you can learn from. Find a mentor. Someone who has already walked the path you want to take. Learning from their successes and mistakes can save you time and help you reach your goals faster. 3. Make friends. Build a strong network. Your network is your safety net. Whether it's for personal or professional growth, the people you surround yourself with matter. Think about it. Life is better when you have good people to share it with. Strong friendships bring happiness, and a solid professional network can open doors to amazing opportunities. Invest time in friendships and don't take them for granted. Good relationships require effort, but they're worth it. 4. Travel far. Experience new cultures. Travel is one of the few things you can spend money on that actually makes you richer. When you go to new places, you see life from a different perspective. You understand that the world is much bigger than your daily routine. It doesn't have to be expensive. Even exploring nearby towns or different areas in your own city can open your mind. Get out of your comfort zone, experience different cultures, and let it change you. 5. Take courses to build skills. The best way to increase your value is to learn new skills. Think of skills as tools. You can use them to build better opportunities for yourself. A common excuse is that learning is expensive. But here's the truth. Investing in yourself is never too expensive. It's priceless. A book, a course, or even a free YouTube tutorial can change your life if you apply what you learn. 6. Understand and build your health. A lot of people ignore their health when they're young. They think they can fix it later. But health doesn't work that way. If you don't take care of it now, it will cost you later. Physically, mentally, and financially. Start small. Get enough sleep. Move your body. Eat real food. Learn about nutrition and exercise. A healthy body and mind will always give you the best return on investment. 7. Sell something. Learn the power of selling. Selling is one of the best ways to grow. Why? Because it teaches you essential skills. Communication, persuasion, problem solving, and confidence. It doesn't matter what you sell. It could be a product, a service, or even an idea. The process of selling makes you a better communicator, a smarter thinker, and a more confident person. 8. Optimize your environment. Your surroundings affect your success more than you think. A messy, chaotic space leads to a messy, chaotic mind. Make small changes. Organize your workspace. Remove distractions. Set up an environment that helps you stay focused. A well-organized space makes you more productive and reduces stress. 9. Teach something. The best way to master a skill is to teach it to someone else. When you teach, you must explain things in a simple and clear way. This process helps you understand the topic better and remember it for a long time. Teaching also improves your confidence and communication skills. You can teach in different ways. You can help a friend, make a tutorial video, write a blog, or share knowledge on social media. Teaching does not mean you have to be an expert. Even if you are still learning, you can share what you know. When you explain something, you also find gaps in your knowledge. This pushes you to study more and improve. Teaching also helps others. When you share knowledge, you make learning easier for someone else. It creates a positive impact and builds a helpful community. Over time, teaching can open new opportunities for you, such as jobs, networking, or personal growth. No matter what skill or topic you are learning, try to teach it. It is one of the fastest and most effective ways to grow. 10. Build a separate income stream. If you only have one source of income, you're at risk. What happens if that income disappears? One of the smartest things you can do is build an income stream that isn't dependent on you working. It could be a side business, investments, or passive income from content you create. The goal is to create something that continues making money even when you're not working. Here are some great books to get started. The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. The $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau. The Parable of the Pipeline by Burke Hedges. Read them, apply the lessons, and start building a second income. 11. Clean up your image. Investing in yourself means giving yourself access to the best opportunities. Your personal brand matters. Ask yourself, what kind of impression do I give? This includes how you communicate, how you dress, and how you present yourself online. Make sure your image reflects your goals and values. Small changes, like improving your social media presence, dressing well, or working on your communication skills, can have a big impact. 12. Manage your time. Like a pro, time is the most valuable resource you have. Unlike money, you can't earn more time. That's why you need to use it wisely. Start by tracking where your time goes. Identify the things that waste your time and cut them out. Prioritize tasks that bring real value to your life. The way you manage your time determines the quality of your life. Investing in yourself is the smartest decision you'll ever make. These 12 strategies are not just ideas. They are actions you can take today. Your future success depends on what you do right now. So, what's the first step you're going to take? Pick one thing from this list and start doing it today. The best investment is the one you take action on. That's it for today. If you're ready to start building your wealth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Got any money goals or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Keep going, stay positive, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. This is Profitability Plus, and I'll see you in the next one.